Hello friendly friends, and today we are actually going to my Facebook page, DiceyGuy's Tabletop Squad, so I guess I should say hello squad. And yeah, we are going to look at what's revealed at Open Nova, what I can find on different medias like Twitter and other places like Orc Painter Nerd. And yeah, let's just jump in. So Sister of Battle is finally getting their own like army box. It's going to be 25 Citadel miniatures. And Adeptica Sotarias Codex. Alright, so that is really cool. It's been waited a long time, so it's going to go plastic, and that's kind of fantastic. I haven't the pictures right here, I think, about the sisters, but they are true to how they look back in the day. You know, Space Marines with girls' heads on and kind of a breastplates and stuff like that, but not super over sexualized. So I actually am fine with this. Yeah, if you want to go the other route, you can go Raging Heroes. So that is a way to go if you want more sexy space nuns. But I think these are really cool. I'm really torn. I obviously want to buy them because, you know, they are praying to the Bretonnians. So in my book, they are really cool. But anyways, so November, get your wallets ready. But you know, there are a lot of other stuff coming out that same date. So yeah, hold to your hold to your butts. Let's go next picture. Is this the yeah? And here we have a little concept paint drawing of Angel of Death. So it's really interesting, and I really like to look at you know, concept arts and what they are thinking when they are making their miniatures and stuff like that. So you can draw a lot of inspiration for kit bashing, or just to understand why they look like they do and stuff like that. So this is interesting, you know, it's really interesting, and I haven't looked really close to these pictures. It's just ooh, cool, grab. So, but yeah, there are a lot of information you can draw from this, and you can read, you know, and get inspiration to kit batch or whatever. So I it's really cool that the Sister of Battles are joining Angel of what is this? What is this? 40k. I understand it's Space Wars. It's really cool, like Eldars and stuff, but I am not super deep into the lore and stuff like that, but I really like the aesthetics of it. Okay, let's move on before everybody kills me. More aesthetics coming out. Poor guy. So he is having his eye sockets looking at I don't know what inside the machine. And hey ho, here we go. He's just propelling this stuff forward. He's number 2735 of these guys, maybe, I don't know. It's yeah, I'm glad I'm not in his shoes. It's this is dark. Warhammer, what have you done? All right, and here we have Mr. Cool Guy. I see people are already making memes of him out of the interwebs, and we're going to look at that meme soon. You know, stay alive. I don't know, but all right. Next one, Warcry is getting monsters and mercenaries, savage beasts and deadly heroes clash. What this means, I think, is that you can hire in awesome dudes to your war bands, so you can have, you know, this guy here can work for these guys, and this guy is working for that work band. So you can have like heroes and monsters. I think this is a really good. So maybe you can have it's kind of a like back in the day Dogs of War, kind of a supplement to Warcry. This I haven't yet played the game, but you know, people are like smashing the like button on this game. So yeah, I really like what they're doing. I'm actually right now reading the book. It seems like it's going to be a hardback book too. That's awesome with this ridge. Nice. I like when books are hardbacks. I wish the rule book that came was hardback too, but it's really nice. It had really nice art in it, and A lot of rules I need to learn. My poor brain. It's going to melt. Alright, next one up is Warhammer of Age of Sigmar is getting this... it is Sigmarines, but you know, with bones instead of forged in iron. So yeah, Nagash and the gang is like, okay, we can do better. Hold my bear. And it's kind of, I have a little Tyrannid feel, you know, how they look. A smash between Tyrannids and Necrons and Tomb Knights. It's the aesthetics I draw from this. It's really like a smash between that. And this is straight up awesome. Look at this. It is look here. It's almost Darth Vader. It's a lot of information, and also with this headgear and stuff like this, I have a reminiscence to, you know, Cain, a blood god of Eldar. But yeah, it's with the bone rafts, and look at this. Poor insect thingy made of human. What is this I'm looking at? It's awesome, but I do not understand. Look at that bird. Squawk! Attack! And he's drinking his coffee like you should. Nice. Yeah, I approved. He is drinking coffee, so I approve this one. And then you have... What is this? I don't know. I feel it. I'm looking at Necrons. Necrons! Eric Bear, here's for you. And more Necrons riding Necron animals. Yeah, I'm not sure. They are not doing it for me, if you know what I mean. But hello, this is a cool man. You have a little Star Wars hello Kenobi moment here. But yeah, there is you go, and we can have a little... Here's the man I'm thinking of when you look at this man. And here you have hello there, Celestin Kenobi. Alright, but anyways, yeah, a fun reveal, a lot of meat. I am a shallow guy. I'm just like looking at shiny stuff, so I can't tell you 3 hours into what I'm looking at here. You probably are going to want to go to Vince Venturella or other guys that are better to go in lore and stuff like that. I'm just in it for the ride, really. But okay, thank you for watching. All the stuff you need to do at the end of the movie, I don't bother. Fuck off.